Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Family Home Kitchen. Ever tried chicken buffalo before? This popular American dish is all about the perfect blend of crisp fried chicken pieces, seasoned with a zesty spicy sauce known as buffalo sauce. Chicken buffalo is a versatile delight that can be served as a quick snack for an impromptu gathering or as a scrumptious main dish for a family dinner. And the best part? It's pretty simple to whip up in your own kitchen. Stay tuned to learn how to prepare this tantalizing dish. Gather your ingredients. For this delectable chicken buffalo recipe, we'll need the following: half a kilogram of chicken breasts cut into small pieces, a half cup of flour for the batter seasoned with half a teaspoon each of salt, ground black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. These will infuse our chicken with a delightful burst of flavors. For the fiery buffalo sauce, we'll need half a cup of hot buffalo sauce, a quarter cup of butter to add a touch of creaminess, and a quarter cup of hot pepper sauce for that extra kick. To balance the heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a tangy twist, and 2 teaspoons of honey for a hint of sweetness. Finally, we'll need some oil for frying our chicken to golden perfection. Now that we have all our ingredients lined up, let's get to the cooking. Start by preparing your chicken. We'll begin with half a kilogram of chicken breasts cut into small bite-sized pieces. Once your chicken is ready, it's time to mix the dry ingredients. Grab a bowl and combine half a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. This mixture will give our chicken that extra crispy coating and a burst of flavor. Once the dry mix is well combined, it's time to coat the chicken pieces. Make sure every piece is well coated, ensuring that all nooks and crannies are filled with our flavorful dry mix. This process not only helps to flavor the chicken, but also achieves that irresistible crunch we're after. With our chicken pieces coated and ready to go, we move on to the frying stage. Heat some oil in a deep pan over medium heat. We want the oil hot enough so that it sizzles as soon as the chicken hits the pan, but not too hot that it burns our coating before the chicken is cooked through. Fry the chicken pieces until they turn a beautiful golden color and are fully cooked. After the chicken pieces are fried to perfection, it's time to drain them. Place the fried chicken on paper towels to absorb the excess oil. We want our chicken to be crispy and flavorful, not oily and heavy. And there you have it. We've prepared our chicken, coated it in a delicious dry mix, fried it to golden perfection, and drained off any excess oil. The chicken is now ready to be drenched in our mouth-watering buffalo sauce. But that's a process for the next scene. Now, onto the sauce. Time to spice things up. Let's move on to the second part of our chicken buffalo recipe, where we're going to create the flavorful buffalo sauce. To do this, we'll need to combine the hot buffalo sauce, butter, hot pepper sauce, apple cider vinegar, and honey. This blend of ingredients will give us a sauce that's spicy, creamy, tangy, and has a touch of sweetness. Now mix these ingredients together until they're well combined. The result should be a rich and vibrant sauce that's going to bring our chicken to life. Once your sauce is ready, it's time to introduce the chicken. Dip each piece of your fried chicken into the sauce, making sure it's well coated. This will ensure every bite of your chicken buffalo is bursting with flavor. But we're not quite done yet. Take the remaining sauce and heat it gently in a pan. Add the rest of your chicken, stirring to make sure each piece is smothered in our delicious buffalo sauce. This will not only heat the chicken, but also allow the flavors to meld together even more. And there you have it. Your chicken buffalo is ready to serve. Serve your chicken buffalo hot, with a sprinkle of extra buffalo sauce if desired. This final touch allows each person to adjust the heat to their liking, making this dish a surefire crowd pleaser. Now for the final touch. Our chicken buffalo is best enjoyed with a side of creamy ranch dressing and a generous helping of crisp chopped vegetables. The cool crunch of the veggies and the tangy ranch perfectly balance the heat of the buffalo sauce, making every bite a flavor explosion. If you're looking to make this dish the star of your meal, why not serve it with a side of fluffy rice or golden fried potatoes? The starchy sides will soak up the rich sauce and create a hearty, satisfying dish that's sure to impress. But here's a little word of caution. The buffalo sauce packs quite a punch. So if you're not a fan of spicy food, feel free to adjust the amount of sauce to your liking. Remember, cooking is all about making a dish your own. Enjoy your delicious chicken buffalo. Don't forget to subscribe for more delightful recipes. Happy cooking! If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button for all new updates in the world of cooking.